Just gonna do a quick tutorial here on how to use everything inside the van. It's about to leave today. Shipping is all scheduled. You have the wheelchair lift remote. Make sure the emergency brake is on. You need to push the emergency brake in order to use the wheelchair lift. There's a safety on there. All these vans operate that way. So use the remote. Sometimes if you don't use the remote, it will automatically shut itself off. Just cycle it. Here's the on and off switch. Cycle it on and off and it will come right back up for you. Sometimes you need to do that. Everything's working. There's a toggle switch here on the lift. Okay? If you're not going to use the van for a while, it's good to have that powered off. The only issue is that you need to do it from inside, because once the doors are closed, you won't be able to access that switch. So, just a little helpful thought. Go ahead and close the doors. You can use this to close the doors. Now, you also have these switches here. There's a little key on the key ring. You put the key in here, you unlock this unlock, and you can use this just in case you don't have the remote. That will operate the back doors and the lift. Again, you need the emergency brake on to use that. I'll show you how to operate these seats. Obviously, you have both transfer seats, so you know how to use those. Now these pop out from under here. Pull this lever, okay? It's a little stiff. Pull this lever, and then you pull that, and the seat comes loose, okay? And then to put it back in, it just locks back in. So it's pretty simple. Got that, not this lever, the bottom lever, and you're all good. Everything else is good to go. It's a beautiful van. Happy that this is working out for you. So this seat, also, you operate, pull the lever, it's this lever here, that one there, and then you just fold it down, and to pull it back up you use the red lever there. So pretty simple. Just want to show you how that works too. So this is to fold it down, this is to bring it back up. Pretty simple. Everything else works and operates the way it's supposed to. Should be pretty good to go. Got your headsets here, DVD player here. There's your mileage and everything. It is leaving today. On the hand control setup, you do have turn signals here, so you can use those as well. Everything else is good to go for you. So just let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you. We're getting this done for you. So as you can see, the condition is pretty perfect on its way out. Gorgeous van. Remember, you need your e-brake on to use the lift. There's your release, there's your down. Cool? Simple. You need these on to use the TV and all the electronics. You got your switches here. You can see they light up. That's it. She's good to go. Thank you.